Peter, how do you like your crib, baby? Look at your little Peter pillow. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute, boo-boo? Yes. You're liking your crib now, aren't you? Look at how beautiful Mommy made it for you. Beautiful color. Little prints. All your clothes. Wow, look at your little play area. It's all ready for you, Peter. There he is. Hi, Boo-Boo. Oh, bless you. Bless you. You have all your little friends here? Wolfie? Woof woof. Lammy? Lammy. Look at Lammy. Hi. Hello, Peter. Look at Lammy. You have a little reindeer. Look at the little reindeer, boo-boo. And Peter. Look, Peter. Peter. All your friends. And the big cat in the back.